We are here on Real Estate in the Low Country. With me is Beth Drake. She is, of course, with Keller Williams. Always good to see you, Beth.
Great to be here.
So I understand some congratulations are in order. Last week you had an award ceremony and you got some pretty nice accolades.
I did. Our team is real excited that we were blessed with the #1 team for South Carolina with Keller Williams.
Congratulations.
Out of all the agents. So that was nice. So we
great.
traveled to Charlotte for those awards.
Yeah, well, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
That's good. And I know you have some listings you want to share with us today as well.
I do. We've got several listings. This is the time of year when people start to put their homes on the market. The first one is a gorgeous deep water home, 55 River Club. And I don't think a lot of people understand that Indigo Run is a large community, but there's 4 separate neighborhoods.
Yeah, I didn't know that until you said it before we started filming.
And so this is a small community, and most of the homes are on the water, and this one actually has the ability to put a deep water dock in.
Nice.
And it would be deep water at all times.
Okay.
There's also a community pool and a pickleball center, pickleball court just for this community.
Nice.
So that's a big plus.
Yeah, big amenities.
And you can see from this home, it's got great bones, high ceilings, lots of light, beautiful views. It's 3 bedrooms, a great room, a family room, kitchen, separate dining room. The main bedroom is on the first floor.
Nice.
And with a large bath. And really, this home, we've already done the inspections. It's good to go. It just needs the cosmetic updates.
Okay.
Therefore, it's priced to $2,700,000 instead of like $4 million.
Right.
So we've priced it to allow for somebody to do those updates.
Some of those updates, but I mean, great that it passed inspection.
Yeah.
So that's a big hurdle to get over. So that's great. Yeah.
It is. So speaking about water views, this is a condo that I just listed, a villa over in Hilton Head Plantation. And you can see from the photos, it has gorgeous water views.
Yeah.
You sit out in the living room, the kitchen, anywhere you're in that area, you're looking at the water, directly down Skull Creek.
Yeah.
So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, updated kitchen. You can just see it's ready to go. It even has a storage unit right outside the front door.
Okay.
And it has some partially floored attic space.
Nice.
Because it's
So
a
lots of
penthouse
storage.
on the top, and it's priced at $949.
And again, those water views, I mean, everybody wants the water views.
Yeah,
so
everybody does.
This one is spectacular.
Yeah, so I feel like this will go fairly quickly.
Right.
The last one that was listed was only on the market for a day.
Wow, okay.
So we'll see.
So jump on it.
Yeah, come on, call me. And then just to finish up, there's so many homes on the market right now, but it's hard to get one close to the beach within walking distance for under $2 million.
Right.
And I just listed this today, became active, 12 Coquina, and it's located in the gated community of Port Royal. It was built in 2001 by Tom Peoples, which, as you know, he has a great
big name around here.
Yeah, big name for building a quality home.
For sure.
It's a hard coat stucco. It's 3 bedrooms, and it has 2 full baths and then 2 half baths. But if someone wants another, like a ensuite, it's very easy to make one of the bathrooms ensuite totally.
Nice.
So that's not a big deal. It has an oversized 2-car garage, and on top of that, there's also like an office/flex room.
That's nice. And of course, on Hilton Head, we've said this so many times before, big garages are hard to come by.
That's right, that's right.
So that's nice.
This is directly on the beach path. So like I said, it's 5th row, so it's an easy walk away.
Yeah.
For Port Royal, they have their own beach house and a large community pool. And it's also gated, very quiet beach. And if someone doesn't want the tourists, you can't have any short-term rentals in here.
Okay, so very nice. And then, like you said, that is going to be a private, really kind of a private beach, so that's nice.
It is. So anyway, it's great. It's ready to show. It's ready to move in. Somebody might want to make some cosmetic paint updates, but there is nothing wrong with the home. It's been maintained. It's got the original owners.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So you know they've put a lot of love into it.
Yeah, so it's a great second home or primary home.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, if somebody wants to see them, how do they get to you? Because I don't think any of these are going to stay around for very long.
Yeah, just give me a call at 843-422-7500, and our website is drakecoastal.com.
Well, thank you, Beth. Beautiful properties that you showed us today. We appreciate that. And again, congratulations.
Thanks. Thank you.